Welcome to my allotment diary for the 4th week of June. Weather is hot and sticky, with occasional thunderstorms and rain, each day becoming warmer and stickier, calling for early morning or evening watering and some shed work. Gate posts in place, the rabbit fence can now be progressed. Including some reduced level digging and backfill. Wire to the entrance is clipped and fitted prior to putting down the anti-weed barrier. You can't see it on the shot due to the angle, but there's a bump at this point, and also that bindweed has to be removed. The kickboard is removed to complete the backfill, eliminate a trip hazard and allow the gate to swing outwards. Gate? Sorry, mention gate. As soon as I've finished tidying up this area, I need to search the plot and see what's available, which can be summed up as a lot. This is going to be a case of making a silk purse out of a sow's ear. The best piece has already been selected to construct the dog kennel. Now, in honour of that illustrious Victorian engineer Thomas Crapper, who designed the flushing toilet, this is going to be a crap gate project. I am also under strict orders not to spend a farthing, that much, on this project. The reason behind that bit of nonsense is my good lady and I are taking another break next week, and to include the gate build in this upload will make it far too long, and it is your opinion that decides if succeeding in making a silk purse or not. What I have to do right now is make sure all my 14 beds are well watered to cope with this current heat wave, and therefore I hope you've enjoyed this edition of my diary. Please comment, a thumbs up will be nice, and to ensure you see how I made the gate using traditional skills, press the bell. Now we'll be back on the 8th of July, so take care and bye.